Example 3, the diagram shows two forces acting on a lamina. Find the moment of each of the forces about the point P. I would want to explain something before we start solving this question. There is this force that is going up 5, the magnitude of the force is 5 newtons. There is this force that is going from bottom left to top right, the magnitude is 8 newtons. And there is a common point P, which is going to be the rotation point for all of them. You can see there is a distance there 2 meters, and there is a distance there 2 meters. There is one thing that you have to put in mind, that the moment is force times perpendicular distance. And for force N, it is very straightforward, because you can see the line between the point of rotation to the line of force, they are perpendicular. So we just have to talk about for 5 newtons, the moment for 5 newtons, we can talk about 5 times 2, which is 10 Newton meters. But the direction here, you keep rotating clockwise. You can see that radius will sometimes be there, and so on and so forth. So the direction is clockwise. What about the moment about P, which is realized after applying 8 newtons in that direction? You can see very clearly that the line between the point joining the rotation point to the force, they are not perpendicular, and therefore we must look for the perpendicular line. And this perpendicular line is obviously going to be constructed that way. And due to the presence of 50 degrees in this position, of course you would, and this becomes the hypotenuse. This is opposite of 50, and this is the hypotenuse. So definitely, if we talk about the sine of 50 degrees, which is, let's say again y, which is the opposite, which is y over 2, then y becomes 2 sine 50 degrees. So this, the size of this line is 2 sine 50 degrees. So the moment about P, which is generated by 8 newtons, is going to be the force, which is 8 times 2 sine 50, which is definitely going to be what? Which is going to be 12.3 Newton meters. But now the direction, don't forget to indicate the direction. Of course, when we move this way, we are moving this way, attempting to draw a circle where this point P is going to be the center of the circle, and of course the direction is anti-clockwise. Okay.